I learned this later than I should have. For 30 years, I traded time for money. Every hour behind the wheel paid for that hour, nothing more, and I never questioned it. Because that's what everyone does. You work, you get paid, you go home. Then one night I was sitting in my truck, engine off, parking lot somewhere in the Midlands, and I asked myself a question I've been avoiding for years. What happens if my income disappeared tomorrow? I didn't like my answer. I was 54 years old, no backup plan, no second income, just 3 decades of driving and a mortgage. That was the night I started searching, make money online, passive income, affiliate marketing, and honestly, most of it looked like a scam. But I kept digging, and what I found changed everything. This is what I wish someone had shown me on day one. Let me explain this the way I needed it explained to me. Affiliate marketing is recommending something you believe in and getting paid when someone buys through your link. That's it. No inventory, no customer service, no shipping boxes from your garage. You find a product, you share it with people who need it. The company pays you a commission. I spent weeks overcomplicating this, reading forums, watching videos, thinking I needed a website or a course or 10,000 followers. I didn't need any of that. What I needed was one skill, one single thing, the ability to get people to a link. When I started looking at this in 2024, everyone was selling the same thing: paid ads, complicated funnels, retargeting pixels, email sequences with 17 steps. And most beginners, they burned money they didn't have. 2026 is different. The platforms have changed. Organic reach is back. Short-form video can put you in front of thousands of people without spending a dollar. You don't need ads. You don't need a website. You don't need to be on camera for hours. You need to understand one platform, learn one skill, show up consistently. That's the entire strategy. And that's why I'm building something of my own. Because hard work doesn't always create security. Creating options does. Step 1. Pick one thing. Not 10 things, not 5. 1. I chose affiliate marketing with a system called Legacy Builder. Not because it was the only option, because it was simple. They teach organic lead generation. No ads, no funnels. Just learning how to attract people who are already looking for solutions. Your thing might be different. Pick one. Commit to it for 90 days minimum. Step 2. Learn the skill, not the sales pitch. This is where most people fail. They learn just enough to sound convincing, and then wonder why nobody buys. I spent my first month just learning how content reaches people, why certain videos work, what makes someone click a link. Educate first, sell second. Step 3. Show up every day. Not every week, every day. One short video, one post, one piece of content that helps someone. The algorithm doesn't reward talent. It rewards consistency. Step 4. Give value before you ask for anything. My first 30 videos, I didn't ask for a single click. No links, no offers. I just taught what I was learning, explained it in simple language, the way I wished someone had explained it to me. When you give first, the ask becomes easy. I get asked this all the time. Johannes, what program are you in? I use Legacy Builder. It's an affiliate marketing system that teaches organic lead generation, not paid traffic, not complicated funnels, not running ads you can't afford. They teach you how to create content that attracts people who are already looking for what you offer. Then you recommend products that solve their problems. The program has different tiers, different price points, but the path is the same for everyone. Learn the skill first, then build. I don't sell Legacy Builder. I teach organic lead generation. Legacy Builder is the tool inside that system, and that distinction matters. Because people buy solutions, not products. I made every mistake you can make. I bought the program, then I didn't open it for 2 weeks because I was scared. Scared it wouldn't work. Scared I was too old. Scared people would laugh at a truck driver trying to build something online. I spent 3 weeks tweaking an opt-in page nobody visited because tweaking felt like work, and work felt safe. I compared my day 1 to someone else's day 1,000, and I quit, twice, before I ever really started. The only reason I'm here now, making my first real income online, is that the third time, I didn't quit. Being a beginner is frustrating, but the only way to lose is to stop. I'm not a guru. I'm not a millionaire. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm a truck driver, 54 years old, building something of my own because I cannot count on someone else's plan. Hard work doesn't always create security. Creating options does. If you want to see exactly what I'm building, the opt-in page, the free blueprint, the whole system, the link is in the description. No ads, no complicated funnels, just a simple system for people who are done waiting. Follow a truck driver building freedom after 50.